Sir Giz. Good morning, classmates. I will report about the cycle. The cycle of a butterfly. You better listen carefully. Number 1 is the egg. The egg is a tiny, tiny, tiny round oval object. The female attaches the egg to leaves, stems, or objects. Number 2 is the caterpillar. The caterpillar or larva is the long worm-like stage of the butterfly or moth. It has a stripe or patches, and it may have spine-like hairs. They feeding growth stage. Number 3 is a pupa. The chrysalis or pupa is the transformation stage, within which the caterpillar tissues are broken down and the adult insect structures are formed. Number 4. Adult equals butterfly. Adult equals butterfly. Adult equals butterfly. The butterfly or moth is colorful or most usually seen. Butterfly live for only a short time. They cannot eat. They only drink through their straw. They will fly and reproduce. Thank you. And God bless.